What's up YouTube, it's your boy AP Trades. I'm back with another trading video, and here is how I made $175 today. This is currently my balance right now, and here is the P&L screen on the screen. So basically I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a little breakthrough on today. I know today most people were surprised that we just basically pumped. I wasn't. I expected it, and I still am with all of these, clearly all these stocks and everything just pumping today. Now I'll kind of break through why I thought that, and the trade I took today was something that wasn't really a normal trade. I literally just longed at 930 based on momentum, but I will get into that. And I know a lot of people weren't able to take a trade today. Anyway, so I'm coming into today. What do I see? Well, clearly, first off, I'm looking at the previous kind of days. What do we do the previous days? The previous days, we are just dumping, okay? We are literally dumping. I remember yesterday I was literally looking at all these stocks, and I even scaled into some of my positions. Yes, I do invest in also, not just day trading, right? So I saw that. Then I saw that we had kind of Asia to the downside, London to the upside, and expecting the continuation, New York continuation. Now that's not only what made me this, but first off, we look at this 4 hour and we instantly displace past it. Like it's a fuck you type of displacement. Then we clearly get a rejection from not one but two 1 hour fair value gaps, filling both of these legs. So there is no reason for us to come lower here. However, I would anticipate it, and I would have liked for us to come down here on ES, because ES, if you guys saw, market open, was actually really close to it around here. I remember seeing it. Fuck, did it replay it? Anyways, I'm in replay mode, but I'll show you. So anyways, so that's that. So I see 1 hour rejection being both. Then I see that we're in this 15 minute. I get on the charts at 9 o'clock, and I see this 15 minute, and I'm looking at myself and I'm like, okay, there is clearly this low in here. We are accumulating on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. I want us to see us sweep this low and market open just fucking pump, right? So what did we literally do? Okay, we sweep the low. I'm looking for us to actually get an inverse, hopefully, of some sort, the 2 minute, 3 minute, or 1 minute. But of course that does not happen. So what do? I take it at 9:30. I see us what? 9:30. Whoa, skipped far ahead. But anyways, if you could saw what 9:30 did, 9:30 opened at the low, right? Printed a wick and then ran up. So I took it around here. I honestly don't know where I took it, honestly. I'll be honest, this is just me estimating it. And I didn't even set a TP or a stop loss. I just bought, risked 5 contracts and made 175 just because it's like small lot size. I probably actually bought around here, I'll be honest, guys. Somewhere around there. So whatever, negative risk to reward ratio. I didn't really care because I knew this was going to get hit, and I just wanted to secure profits. But anyways, you could literally see in this 1 minute, 9:30 opens at the low, prints this wick, boom, shoots higher, takes out data high. Why was I so confident, guys, to take this? And people could consider it gambling, 9:30 open, blah blah blah. That's cope, that's excuses. Now again, as I was saying, so not only are we rejecting from both these 1 hours, which is sponsored by High Time Frame, we are rejecting from this 15 minute clearly. Like we are not getting anywhere close to the downside. And within this 15 minute, there is a 5 minute. So when I saw momentum to the upside, I clearly took it and I cashed out around here probably. Again, making only less than $200, which I'm kind of upset. But yeah, that's basically an easy ass trade. And then you can think about it, it's accumulation on the 5 and 15 minute, manipulate, sweep a low, and boom. And not to mention, not only did we have the data high from 8:15 news, but we had low resistance liquidity. Now after this, I was looking for a continuation to the upside because again, I am still very bullish. But I know that today is PMI news. And one of the things I'll mention based off my back testing and experience is I fucking hate PMI news days. They are always choppy and shitty. That doesn't mean that I won't, still hop on the charts and look for a setup. But what do? We started coming down here, and I know some people might have taken this 3 minute short. I did not like that. I don't see why we would short. We're still in this 15 minute. You could say that, oh, we are respecting this 1 hour or respecting this 4 hour. purely cope, in my opinion. Shorts were not the move today. If you took a short, this was maybe valid, just because you're targeting the 1 hour intermediate low, which again I could see getting hit, but actually, you never got hit. Even ES edged it, and then we started going higher. I would have liked, honestly, maybe to take a make long if we had an SMT off this. Still tapping into 15-minute and then get something here like a CISD, because I don't think we got an inversion. That's what I was looking at here. We didn't, no. And then to go for previous day high, because I knew for a fact that was also going to get hit, but I didn't want to, you know, market open, do something like this. Like it's not going to, you know, not going to pump that much. And either way, I just wanted, you know, a piece of the pie, just a little slice. So boom, we just edge, and I guess, you know, we're not having any sort of continuations, not even on this 4 minute really, that I wanted to see. So again, price was asked, PMI news is buns, but it's whatever though, and it just hits previous day high. I think it edges it and then hits it, right? So currently right now, you know, oh shit, it did also hit my other draw, which is this daily equal highs with the 4 hour for value gap, or I guess relative equal highs on daily, I don't know, but I knew for a fact both these draws were going to get hit, and especially data highs too. And it's just very clear to me that today we were bullish. So maybe if you guys had the wrong bias, or you were wondering why longs were the move today, please let me know in the comment section. I would like to make videos actually more educational and kind of tell you guys how to, you know, find bias, or how do I find my bias. I explained it, I think, good in the beginning. Again, it's just high time frame narrative. Also, you can see, although we are bearish, I know, with the news and everything, or recently, I guess, I still think we are going to be bullish overall for the week. And we are starting this high time frame market maker buy model. So now I'm actually even more confident, because if today we can surpass this low and close below it with a body, not a wick, I am very guaranteed that the rest of the week will look something like this, right? And I'm calling it right now. Today is what, Wednesday, I think. And either way, we need to get out of this, you know, high time frame bullshit accumulation range, because we've been doing that for so long, and it's just starting to piss me off. But anyways, I hope you guys actually, you know, learned something from here. You know, this was a very easy long. Again, not a normal setup, but I've been realizing when trading that if we're not going to get setups, I'm going to adapt to this. And I'm going to just make sure I have a protected stop loss and a clear drawn liquidity, and then some sort of displacement. You don't always need like an inverse fair value gap, like something like this, right, to then take a trade. Honestly, you can use CISD, or you can use purely just displacement, guys. All you need is a clear drawn liquidity and a protected stop loss. And why would you say this is protected? Well, because we already tapped in this 15 minutes, swept the low. There's no point for us to just keep going lower, all right, until we hit this drawn liquidity. Because you can see, once we hit it, what do we start doing? We didn't go to previous day high. We went back, swept it, and then we went to previous day high. So this is kind of peak 99.30 open high, then go lower, sweep the low, to then go higher to the other draw. So I hope you guys like this video, educational, you know, as always, and let me know what else you guys want to see. And hopefully the next sort of days through this week, Thursday and Friday, actually present themselves, an actual setup. If not, I will still be looking for these sort of trades. Guys, honestly, all you really need is a clear drawn liquidity, clear drawn liquidity, and a protected, oh my god, I don't know how to spell, protected stop loss. And then just honestly, if you know how to have a risk management and psych, you will be good, right? So I hope you guys like this video. As always, sub if you haven't already, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Appreciate the support. Love all y'all. See y'all later. Peace.